सहजानंद स्वामी महाराज ने जय। संत समागम की जय हो, निश दिन संत समागम की जय। Brahmanand Swami in these 4 stanzas is explaining the Mahatmya of Sant Samagam. Because he is benefited so much from it, he is shouting at the top of his voice, telling all of us that this is the secret or the trick through which salvation, liberation can happen. Follow my advice. I have found the path and hence I am showing you the path. संत समागम की जय हो, निश दिन संत समागम की जय। मानत जी संतन के मुख से प्रेम सुधा रस पीजै हो, निश दिन संत समागम कीजै। अंतर कपट मेत के अपना ले उनको मन दीजै हो, निश दिन संत समागम कीजै। अरे भव दुख टड़े बड़े सब दुष्कृता, सब विधि कारज सीजै हो, निश दिन संत समागम कीजै। ब्रह्मानंद कहे संत की सोबत, जन्म सुफल करी लीजै हो, निश दिन संत समागम कीजै। He is urging that Nishadina, Nish means Raat, Din means day, day and night stay in the company of saints. मानत जी संतन के मुख से प्रेम सुधा रस पीजै। Don't have an ego when you are discussing spiritual transformations with the saint. Dehabhiman, keep it aside. Abhiman, keep it aside. All sorts of man should be left outside, like how we leave our footwear outside the temple. Like that, the ego must be dropped before meeting the saint. Brahmanand Swami says that Prema Sudharas Pijay. Such saints are constantly showering love on us, compassion on us, grace on us. Immerse yourself in this nectar, in this amrut. Antar kapat met ke apna. Don't have deceit, fraud kind of attitudes with them. Don't fool yourself. Don't try to fool them. Don't just fake it. Don't act like a seeker. Authentically, genuinely be a seeker. There's no point in having any kapat with a saint. We are only going to work against ourselves. Overcome these qualities, these inner limitations, these negativities, and just give your mind to him. Le unko man dije. Surrender. Just offer yourself in entirety to the saint. Do as he says. Think as he says. Act as he says. And we shall reach where we want to reach. Bhavadukha tade, the cycles of birth and death, these bhavs, they are sorrow. That punishment will completely end. Bade sab dushkrit, all our bad karmas will now be forgiven, and God will accept us in spite of our imperfection. Sab vidhi karat sijay. That is what the soul wants. What else do we want if all our limitations and karmas are forgiven and God accepts us as we are? ब्रह्मानंद कहे संत की सोबत, जन्म सुफल करी लीजै all this will happen in the company of the saint, the purpose of our life will be fulfilled. Be in the company of these saints. संत परम हितकारी जगत माही, संत परम हितकारी, प्रभु पद प्रगट करावत प्रीति, भरम मिटावत भारी, जगत माही संत परम हितकारी। परम कृपाणु सकल जीवन पर, हरि सम सब दुख हारी, जगत माही संत परम हितकारी। त्रिगुणातीत फिरत तनु त्यागी, रीत जगत से न्यारी, जगत माही संत परम हितकारी। ब्रह्मानंद कहे संत की सोबत, ब्रह्मानंद कहे संत की सोबत, मिलत है प्रगट मोरारी, जगत माही संत परम हितकारी। He is the greatest well-wisher for all of us seekers. In this entire universe, nobody wishes for our good as much as the saint does. Why is he claiming this? Why is he claiming him better than our family and friends and other well-wishers? Because they are only interested in our material gains. But this saint, Prabhu Pad Pragata Karavata Priti, he makes us fall in love with God. And Bharama Mitavata Bhari, our ignorance, the darkness inside us is overcome by the light that the saint showers on us. Parama Kropadu Sakala Jivana Para Hari Sama Sabdukhari. In front of God, in front of the happiness, the bliss that one feels through God, all the other sources of happiness are inferior. If one has not tasted God, those pleasures are like the penultimate happiness that a human can experience. But once you have experienced the bliss of God, the purity of the bliss of God, the purity of that happiness, the intensity of that happiness, all the other pleasures will seem like wish, will seem like poison, will seem like dukh. Those sukhs will also feel like dukhs. Trigunatit firat tavat tanatyagi rit jagat senyari. They have renunciated all the material indulgences. Sattvagun, Rajogun, Tamogun, they operate at a higher place than these. And their Reet is Jagat Senyari. They are very different from us. They have chosen this path and made it their mission of life, that they are going to dedicate the rest of the life to spiritual progress of their own and of other seekers. Brahmananda kahe sant ki sobat milat hai pragat murari. Because they have become soldiers of God, because they are now the people, the torch bearers who are leading this path, one can only and only find God through them. They have renunciated everything for this purpose. And if that is our purpose in life, to find God, we will find God through them, through Santa Samagam. Why must we find God? Because if we all are spending all our time and energy in search of happiness, then the ultimate most form of happiness, or the hole that we are trying to fill inside, is a God-sized hole, and it will only be filled by God. The bliss that we are seeking, the peace that we are seeking, the ultimate one is only found through God, and hence Brahmanand Swami is preaching this. Hari bhajata sukha hoya samaj mana, हरि भजता सुख होय। हरि समरण बिन मूढ़ अज्ञानी, उमर दीनी खोय समझ मन। हरि भजता सुख होया। अरे मात पिता युवती सुत बांधवा, संग चलत नहीं कोय समझ मन। हरि भजता सुख होया। अरे क्यों अपने सिर लेत बुराई, रहना है दिन दोय समझ मन। हरि भजता सुख होया। ब्रह्मानंद कहे हरि ने बजीले, ब्रह्मानंद कहे हरि ने बजीले। हित की कहत हूँ तो ये समझ मन। हरि भजता सुख होय। Only by seeking and loving God will you find the happiness that you seek. Hey mind, I'm trying to explain you this over and over again. Why are you not understanding? And he's now telling us that, hey mood, hey agnani, hey ignorant, oh rigid soul, I'm telling you that without the smaran of God, without remembering God, without chanting God, without singing God, meditating on God, you will lose yet another lifetime in search of liberation and you won't get liberated. All your time is going in relationships and material seeking. But all these people for whom you are accumulating wealth or spending all time and energy, Mata, Pita, Yuvati, Sutta, Bandhava, your mother, your father, your daughter, your son, your brother, Sange Chalata Nahi Koi. You know none of these are going to come with you on your day of death. Nobody is going to come along with you. क्यों अपने सिर लेत बुराई, रहना है दिन दोया. When we die, there will be judgment day in which God will ask us, what did you make of this lifetime? Our debit, credit sheets, life balance sheets will all be in front of Him. We are doing wrong things, prohibited things, thinking that they have some form of pleasure or happiness if we do that, and we will find that. So at the cost of displeasing God, we do these wrong karmas, we make these wrong choices, but they are not going to last, and we have wasted enough time. He's saying, Rehna hai din doya, just for this temporary lifetime. All the things that are going to stay impermanently with us, for that, why are we doing burai? Why are we wasting our time? Why are we not abiding by the God's code of conduct? Why are we not doing as the Satpurush says? Why do we want to live life according to our stupid ignorance? Brahmanand kahe, Hari bhajile, hit ki kahta hu toya. It's not too late. Wake up. Wake up from this ignorance. Use time and energy. Invest it on God. And if you do that, if you are going to stay in constant connection with God, and then if you are going to fulfill your duties with this connection intact, then nothing can stop us from liberating. That is what the saint is trying to teach us. That is what the scriptures, these bhajans are trying to teach us. And if we still don't learn it, Brahmanand Swami is warning. यूं ही जन्म गुमात, भजन बिन यूं ही जन्म गुमात. समझ समझ नर मूढ़ अज्ञानी, काल निकट चले आत. भजन बिन यूं ही जन्म गुमात. और भयो रे बेहाल फिरत है निश दिन, गुण विषयन के गात, भजन बिन यूं ही जन्म गुमात। परमारथ को राह न परीछत, पाप करत दिन रात, भजन बिन यूं ही जन्म गुमात। ब्रह्मानंद कहे तेरी मूरख, ब्रह्मानंद कहे तेरी मूरख, आयुष्य वृथा ही जात, भजन बिन यूं ही जन्म गुमात। Your this birth is also almost going waste. Millions of births have already gone waste. This birth you are so close to making use of it because the Satpurush is there, the Parmeshwar is there, the scriptures are there, the bhajans are happening, you are listening to it right now, but you are still not committing to make it your first priority. You are still not committing to give up trying to find anything in pleasures. You are still not committing that you will not be affected by material ups and downs, highs and lows. You are still getting vulnerable, you are still getting carried away. The ego is still dominant. The connection is still getting interrupted. How to strengthen this connection? By bhajan, by Nam Smaran. Bhajan bin yu hi janma gumat. Constantly keep doing bhajan. It's not something that we need to do daily. It's something that we need to do uninterruptedly. Even while driving, I can do that. Even like bathing, I can do that. Even while working, I can do that. Even while indulging in anything, I can still be completely immersed in God. समझ नर मूढ़ अज्ञानी, हे ignorant being, काल निकट चली आत. Your time on this earth is clicking. There is little time left. भयोरी बेहाल फिरत है निश दिन, पाप गुण विषयन के गात. You are just busy indulging in material pleasures all the time, day and night. When will you stop? Nothing is satiating you. Why are you still trying to find happiness in the wrong places? Paramarat ke raah par, on the path of spirituality, he says, what you are finding, what you are searching for, you will find here. Don't indulge in all those paps. Don't disobey God. Don't behave or act in a way that doesn't please God. Live a God-pleasing life. Hey Murkh, Brahmanand Swami is saying in the end. If after explaining so much also, if you don't understand, then you are Murkh. Your Ayushya, this life, will go waste. Vrutha hi jat. Don't waste this life. I am warning you. I am your well-wisher. I am saying it for you. Don't have more pramad. Don't have more alas. Don't give more excuses. Don't give more justifications. Stop searching for happiness in the wrong places. You will find it on the path of God. He is trying to make us build all the immunity and vaccination that we need to face the ups and downs of life. And once we have achieved them, we will live a liberated life even when on earth. In the Samagam of the saint, this is possible, but we will have to completely surrender to the saint. We will have to give up our ego. We will have to give up our rigidity. We will have to give up our limited mindsets. We will have to improve our attitude. We will have to make ourselves a student again in life. We will have to treat this saint as if God is speaking. Whatever the saint says is patthar ki lakir for me. I will follow it as it is. If that attitude is developed, if they say day, it's day. If they say night, it's night. If they scold me, so be it. If they bash me, so be it. I can't get hurt by them because they wish for my transformations. They wish that I completely make this birth my last birth. And to have such a saint in life is a blessing. Let us all express gratitude to them and do as they say. Sahajanand Swami Maharaj.